Got this chain for about $15,000, man. About $15,000 with the bracelet. The crib not dirty, is it? Well. Look at what we have here. I'm gonna just go upstairs and show y'all what we working with, son. This joint right here is called Aporro. I think that's how you say it. Aporro. Came with a little box right here, son. Whatever. Little bag right here. This. Y'all niggas don't care about all this, but this is what it came with right here. It came with this little card. Boom. But we about to get into the itty gritty, so we about to get into the real joint. Now, what I got was, focus on me. I got a tennis necklace, or a tennis chain, and then I got a tennis bracelet. It's a set piece, son. A 20-inch, 5mm tennis chain, and then a 7-inch bracelet. Boom. That joint look good, right? Diamonds dancing. That's about $15,000 worth right here, man. Diamonds dancing. Look at that. Look at that. Don't do it to him, bloodbath. Don't do it to him, bloodbath. But like I said, y'all see how them joints dancing. Y'all see how the diamonds dancing. I'm gonna put that joint on like a little black. I'm gonna put that joint on this shit right here, so you know, so that joint can really stand out though. Look at this, dancing. About $15,000 worth of jewelry right here, man. You see that? Come on, man. Come on, man. No effects or nothing like that. That shit look good. That shit look good. Don't even try to play me like that. Come on. What's up? That joint look good. What up?
Young man, what the deal is?
Nothing much.
How you living?
I'm alright.
You alright?
Yeah.
That's what it do, man. That's what it do. You got some new jewelry?
Somebody sent it to me.
What is it?
Tennis chain.
Hey, diamonds?
Yeah. So this how that joint look when it's on. I don't really know, cause I wear this chain all the time, so I don't know if I should like. I'm never gonna take this joint off, but I don't know if that really look right. But it really don't even matter. Then I got the bracelet. Y'all see the dancing on the bracelet, man. Let's go in the bathroom. Whew, okay, lighting. What's up? How we look with the light? How we look with the light? It ain't dancing yet. It ain't dancing yet, man. But y'all see. Y'all see how it's looking. Y'all see how it's looking, man. Them joints look nice. Look like I got some money out here, son. Look at that. Ugh. I'm trying to get a thumbnail, honestly. Wait. So you get the bracelet too. Wait. Is that good? That's not even good enough. We about to go in the sunlight. Go outside so we can see it. Here go the sun. The sunshine right here. Boom. Look at that. You see that? You see how it's dancing? Of course it look good with the light, but we gotta get it with the sunlight, man. I'm just gonna go outside with it. Go outside with it. Let that sun. Ooh, come on, man. Come on, man. Then you got the bracelet with it. Come on, man. You can't beat that. You can't even beat that. Look at that. Dancing on them. Come on, man. Y'all want some more? Y'all done? No? Yeah. It look good. Look a little too good. What's good? Hey, but don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. I ain't got money, so don't rob me. Don't rob me. Every time I get to the light, I gotta stop and admire. You feel me? I gotta stop and admire. But yeah, I'm gonna put the link to all this stuff in the description. Even right now, it look good. It's called Aporro. They got Instagram, fucking YouTube. They got all that, son. I'm gonna put the link in the description, man. Y'all need to check them out. Look at the quality, though. Look at the quality, though. Too close? Too close? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but this is a good look right here. Y'all know, like I said, man, I'm not even flashy like that. I'm not even the type to have like big chains or have like 6 chains like this and nothing like that. But I mean, I'm gonna throw on a watch every now and then. I'm gonna throw a bracelet on. This is my first bracelet. I never had a bracelet before. I usually always have like that little band. I always have a band on. I don't know why. I always do it. But now I can throw a bracelet on, son. I'm only gonna wear the chain, you know, on special occasions, or you know, when I want to floss on a nigga, son. Ooh, ooh, woo, what? Come on, son. This is in the dark. This is in the dark, my guy. We dancing in the dark now. We dancing in the dark now. Come on, man. Come on, man. You see it? Look at that. It's about 25. I keep saying that. It's not really $25,000, man. Go to the website, check them out. I know I'm in the dark. I'm just, fuck that. Y'all about to admire this, nigga. Look at that. This is just for my little intro. It's about 15. I'm gonna start over. Got this chain for about $15,000, man. About $15,000 with the bracelet. So niggas in the beginning, oh, you lying, you clickbait and blah blah blah. But y'all niggas, those who watched the whole video, y'all saw me go in there and say it's not really $15,000, son. But we are good. I guess this is a perk of, I didn't make it. I'm not famous or nothing. I guess this is a perk of having some kind of following, or the brand that I have, you feel me? But Aporro, man, that's what this video is about, pretty much. Check them out. I'm gonna put the link. I'm gonna put all they links, man. It's good quality. This is some good quality. You see the diamonds dancing. You see the joints dancing. But that's the end of the video, man. If you rock with me, like the video, son. If you're not subscribed already, man, click subscribe. Catch the wave.